Hey there, science enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Science Behind, where we unravel the mysteries of everyday life. Ever wondered how refrigerators keep your food fresh? It's a fascinating process that combines physics, chemistry, and a bit of engineering magic. Welcome to Science Behind. Today, we're diving deep into the cool science that happens inside your fridge. Today, I'm diving into the cool science that happens inside your fridge. We'll explore the mechanisms that make this everyday appliance so essential in our lives. Alright, let's start with the basics. Refrigerators are designed to keep food fresh by maintaining a low temperature, which slows down the growth of bacteria and other microorganisms. Refrigerators use a process called refrigeration to keep food fresh. This process involves a series of steps that work together to remove heat from the inside of the fridge. This process cools the air inside, slowing down the growth of bacteria and spoilage. By maintaining a consistent low temperature, refrigerators help extend the shelf life of your food. But how does it actually work? What's happening behind those closed doors that keeps your food fresh and safe to eat? Let's break it down. The refrigeration cycle involves four main steps: evaporation, compression, condensation, and expansion. Each step plays a crucial role in the cooling process. The refrigeration cycle involves four main steps: evaporation, compression, condensation, and expansion. These steps are part of a continuous loop that keeps your fridge cold. Here's how it works. First up, evaporation. This is where the magic begins. Inside the evaporator coils in your fridge, the refrigerant evaporates, absorbing heat from the fridge's interior. This process removes heat from the inside, making it cooler. It's like magic, but with science. Next, compression. This step is all about increasing the pressure and temperature of the refrigerant. The compressor kicks in, compressing the refrigerant and increasing its pressure and temperature. This prepares the refrigerant for the next step in the cycle. Imagine squeezing a sponge filled with water. That's a bit like what's happening here. Then condensation. This is where the refrigerant releases the heat it absorbed earlier. In the condenser coils, the high-pressure refrigerant releases its heat to the outside air and condenses into a liquid. This step is crucial for maintaining the cooling cycle. It's like the sweat on a cold glass on a hot day. Finally, expansion. This step brings the refrigerant back to a low-pressure state. The refrigerant passes through an expansion valve where it cools down and turns back into a gas, ready to absorb more heat. This completes the cycle and starts it all over again. And the cycle starts all over again. This continuous loop is what keeps your refrigerator cold and your food fresh. By continuously cycling through these stages, refrigerators keep the internal temperature low, which slows down the growth of bacteria and preserves food freshness. This is why your food stays fresh for longer periods. Modern refrigerators also come with extra features like air circulation fans, temperature controls, and humidity control drawers. These features enhance the basic refrigeration process. These features work together to further optimize food preservation. They ensure that different types of food are stored under ideal conditions. So, there you have it, the science behind how refrigerators keep your food fresh. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this explanation both informative and fascinating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more science behind everyday things. Your support helps us bring more exciting content to you. Subscribe to Science Behind for more fascinating insights into the science of everyday life. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science with us.